First of all, the home pages of many of the Mathlets have links to materials supporting the use of that Mathlet in various ways. Linear Phase Portrait Cursor Entry, for example, has a student activity and a page discussing the theory behind the Mathlet. The Phase Lines Mathlet has several activities and a voiceover demonstration of its use. All this will be augmented over time. The About page of the site contains a number of publications connected with the Mathlets. If you want to know more about the theory behind them and the story of their creation and implementation, take a look at the article by Miller and Upton. But most of all, I want to draw your attention to the Forum page. If you do make use of the Mathlet technology in your own teaching, I hope you add your voice to the conversation by filling out the simple web form there. As you can see, I'm interested in your feedback about the usability of the Mathlets as they are, about how you use them in your own courses, and about ideas you may have for new Mathlets. If you describe activities using a Mathlet and give me permission to do so, I'll add it to the website. I wish you the best of luck in your teaching, and I look forward to hearing from you about your experience using the Mathlets.